Hello everyone, welcome to Control Alt Learn, your one-stop shop for all simple IT tips and tricks. Today we're going to go over how to show your password of your wireless network on your Windows computer. This is a very handy tip in case you have misplaced the password and need to bring it up in a quick, easy step. First we're going to go to the search bar, we're going to type in Control Panel. From there we're going to navigate to Network and Internet. From there, we're going to click on Network and Sharing Center. Once we have that open, we're going to locate the actively connected network. In this case, the SSID will be right here. From there, we're going to click on Wireless Properties. Under the Security tab, you will find Show Characters. Once clicked on Show Characters, it will show you the saved network that the computer is currently connected to. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly find your Wi-Fi password. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe button for simple IT tips and tutorials.